What's going on YouTube? Back again with another video. Our attempt today is we're gonna see if we can do the driver's side brake, the disc brake on the back. We did do the passenger, but now I'm gonna see if I could attempt to take out the drum. 'Cause last time we had a problem and that was a while back, so I'm gonna try to see if I could do that one. If it does work, we'll go from there, but for now I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera and go from there. As you can see, got the truck right here, got the little thing, so I'm gonna roll forward, but right here,
God, it's the
this is the one we're gonna try doing. Hopefully we can do it, because like I said, the one on the other side, we had a problem not working too well, so we're gonna flip the truck right now, take off the rim and go from there. So hopefully it does work and we don't have any issues like last time, but we'll go from there if we do. So as you can see, this one has in, I don't know when this one has been changed. The last time it's been changed before I bought the truck, but now we're gonna use the 2 bolts. And I bought this one for the car, but I never used them. I just had them in the truck this whole time. So right now, I'm gonna get this one and just basically go like that in both of them, and we're gonna see if it comes out. It should come out. With the last one, we had to like basically pull this because it was not opening. It was jammed, stuck in there. It was all old and who knows what. Hopefully I don't have to replace the little cylinder, I think it's called. I'm not too sure on the name. Also the drum. So for now I'm gonna tighten this up and see if it comes out easily. If not, we'll go from there and get some brake cleaner and go from there. Right here we got the brake part cleaner, so we're gonna just go ahead and go right there and go from right there and start tightening those up and go from there.
Oh my God, it's the Mad Beans.
And we are having the same problem again. The drum is stuck to the brakes. I don't know why, but as you can see, and that is, I did get this one sort of loose, but this one, the brakes in there, and I'm in a little bit of trouble, but I'm gonna try one theory. Hopefully it works. I got this one just in case it won't pop out. This one's already loose. It shouldn't pop out, but just in case, I don't want it to just come out and hit me. Safety first, but other than that, I'm gonna try a little method and see if it works, and I'll catch you here in a little while. And it looks like after probably like an hour of trying, it's barely gonna come out. I tried a bunch of screws, even bigger ones, because it keeps stripping and it's bad. I'm gonna need the new cylinder, I think that's what it's called. And I took out the spring, can't really see, but I'm gonna put it on the side and go. That took a while. As you can see, I was showing y'all the spring. I did take it off from the inside, but it was a pain. So that goes right there, right there. So right now, I'm gonna go ahead and spray it and let it sit there for now. Then we're gonna change it to new brake pads. I'm gonna need this new, as you can see right there. It is broken and we're gonna need a new drum. So all that is gonna have to be replaced, but that's the name of the game. New brakes, stay tuned. We're gonna be putting the new tire for the 22s, so all the brakes will be good. And next I'll have to check the Mustang, see how the brakes are doing on that. But other than that, that's all I got. Well, not got, but I have to go get the stuff, go from there. And for now I'm gonna spray it down and go from there. We are back the next day. I still have to take that little clip off to release the e-brake, but I had to go to the store, pick up some vice grips to hold the wire from pushing back and making it harder on the job.
Oh my God,
So
it's the mad
right
bean.
now I also got the little cylinder I wanna so-call. Also got the drum, but I will be using this to take that off, and I'll show you here that in a bit. But other than that, we're gonna start taking that off and go from there. As you can see, it does have this right here, and you want to hold the little e-brake wire so it doesn't go back and make it harder on you. So right now I just gotta take that one off and put the new ones on, and we'll go from there. So we figured taking this one out,
Oh my God, it's
See?
the mad bean.
they were bad compared to that one's brand new. I don't know when this one was the last time that they changed it. All the brakes will be good, the other side's good, so I have to change this. Brakes, I already have those, and like I said, the cylinder, the brakes, the drum, and that should be it. Maybe later down the future we'll upgrade to disc brakes, drill and slot it, but for now we're gonna stick with what we got, and later down the road we'll see what comes down the road. But right now I'm gonna start putting the other brake, as you can see right here, and from there we're gonna put that one back on, do this one, and then take this one before we put all the brakes. So we got the new one on. It was a pain in the butt, but we got it on.
Oh my God, it's the mad
And
bean.
so now we're gonna take the cylinder and switch it. Like I said, I'm not too sure if that's what it's called, but we're gonna switch it. See, just missing the tooth right there, so we're gonna go ahead and switch it out, heat it, put the brakes on, and go from there.
Oh my God, it's the mad bean.
Okay, right now basically pretty much almost everything's on. I just gotta adjust this, put this back on, put the little clip, and
Oh my
put the
God, it's
drum,
the mad bean.
adjust this, and delete this, and we should be good to go from there. But other than that, I'll catch you here once we do that here in a bit. Okay, we put the clip back on. That now we have to do adjust it, put the drum, see how it sits, bleed it, and go for a test track and see how it goes from there. But everything looks good. It plays. Full brakes. So right now we're gonna get the drum out and clean it, and go from there. As soon as we were almost about to be done, there's always an issue, and they gave me the wrong brake drum. As you can see, this one, mine is the forms on the side, and this one has a sensor. Mine doesn't have a sensor, and you can see the pattern here and there. So they do this to me every time, so I have to go again, make a trip there, get the right part for the righties every time. So good thing I didn't. I looked at it every time I get to look at the part. I thought it was the right part, but since this is 07 Chevy Silverado, they get it confused with the newer one, so I could see where that's an issue. But I mean, it's not wrong. I tell them the year, the model, and they still give me the wrong part. But you know, it happens. So just make sure. And right now I'm gonna put it back in the bag and hopefully make a trip and the drum and bleed it and go from there. So right now I'm gonna have to wait till tomorrow for the drum because it is Thanksgiving and everything is closed right now, so that sucks. So I'm gonna have to get up early tomorrow, go get the drum, bleed it, adjust it, and we should be good to go from there. Hopefully no issues from there. We should be good, but other than that, I'll pick y'all back up in the morning. Everything is good, as you can see, but I'll pick y'all up in the morning. And also don't forget, happy Thanksgiving if you are watching this after Thanksgiving. So
Oh my god, it's the Mad Bee.
okay, back where we left off. We did go to Riley's, exchange it, and we did get the red one this time. As you can see, the grooves, those. So what they did is they gave me the one for the new body style, not the cat eye. So I guess that's where they get confused, since this is 07 Classic and there's a newer body style, so that's where they got it confused. But went and got it, and we're gonna go clean it off first. Just spray it with brake cleaner and inside and outside, clean that too, and fit it, adjust it, and bleed it, and try from there and go from there.
Oh my god, it's the Mad Bee.
So we got the drum on there. I'm gonna throw the wheel and bleed it and go from there. So that's what I'll do here in a second and go from there. Say I'm gonna need some help, someone stepping on the brake while I bleed it, so I can't do that on camera, so I'll be back here in a bit.
Oh my god, it's the Mad Bee.